Hi lovelies, welcome back to my page. This is Abby Word. How many of you love potatoes but you love yours to be crunchy? If you are in the same shoes with me, come closer so that you can learn this new way of making your potatoes crunchy, your french fries. You can see I'm peeling it. I always love to dance and sing whenever I am in the kitchen. How many of you love this? Okay, so you can see how thin it is looking, yes. So I'm just using my this grater. So you see I faced it up like this. So I'm going to use this place, this sharp place, to do it. This is where I used to peel it. So this is where I'm going to use to get that flat, to get it as flat as possible. So you just start like this. At this point, you need to be very careful because this thing is sharp, so that your hand will not enter. Put it down like this so you'll be able to control it. So it's ready, you can see it. After that, you just sprinkle some little salt over it and put a generous amount of oil in the fire and just put it there and allow it to start cooking. This is it, it's properly cooked. My day always starts and ends in the kitchen. I don't know if yours is always like mine as well. I always start my day in the kitchen and I'll be the last person to still leave the kitchen. Okay, so here I diced everything. I'm using my sardine, eggs, cauliflower, carrots, beetroot, ginger, garlic, all the bell pepper. So add a little amount of oil in the fire. Add my garlic first of all and added my ginger, little ginger. Stir and add the onion. Stir. Thereafter add the pepper and the bell pepper. No, pepper and tomato. Okay, and I'm adding the cauliflower right now. Just keep stirring. Just this, all of them are just stir frying. Added the beetroot, stir fry. Thereafter I cover it for a little while so you can steam up. And here is my sardine. I don't usually like using the water or the oil inside. I always drain it off, so that's exactly what I'm doing. After draining it off, you just open my sauce and pour it in and use my spatula to kind of mash it. Then this is the time I'm going to add my bell pepper because I don't like it too soft. After that, added salt. I use only salt. I don't use Maggi to cook anything. I use only salt. I added some salt over the egg as well and just peeling it over. At this point in time, I'm not going to stir it together, so just allow the egg to cook. Before then, I'm put the cabbage over it and the carrot over it and cover for like 1 minute or two. Thereafter, open it up and stir, and with this it's ready after turning because the vegetable don't need to be overcooked. So here it is ready. I'm serving for my family, just putting at the side of each of them, and after everything I just serve it like this. So after serving, I just give to everyone. Thereafter, I have to start eating mine now. So this is it. You can see how yummy it's looking. Yummy. So you will want to test this. Just check and see. It's so crunchy. Crunchy french fries. Crunchy french fries. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Help also share this video and follow this page if you have not done that. It's not going to cost you anything. See you. One love.